Hi, this is Vandana from Thandai Periyar Government Institute of Technology at Vellore, Department of ECE. Today we are going to see about microprocessor and microcontroller, unit of interfacing microcontroller, and topic is comparison between microprocessor and microcontroller. First we are going to see about content of the session, what is microprocessor and microcontroller, types of microprocessor and microcontroller, features of microprocessor and microcontroller, microprocessor versus microcontroller, and finally applications of microprocessor and microcontroller. We can see one by one. First thing, what is microprocessor and microcontroller? A microprocessor is a controlling unit of microcomputer which is wrapped inside a single small chip. It performs arithmetic logic unit operations. So the operation is addition, subtraction, multiplication, divisions or arithmetic operation, and or not, NAND, NOR, XOR. These are the logical operations which can be performed in this microprocessor, and microprocessor communicate with the other devices. It is a single integrated circuit in which several functions are combined. The microprocessor consists of only a central processing unit. So other devices we can connect the externally with microprocessor, whereas microcontroller contain a CPU, memory, input output and other peripherals are interconnected with it. A microprocessor is used in personal computer and microcontroller is used in embedded systems. So it is a real-time systems. For example, washing machines. We can wash the dress and dry it. So these are the instructions it controlled by this embedded real-time systems like based on microcontroller. Microprocessor uses an external bus to interface to RAM, ROM and other peripherals. In microcontroller uses an internal controlling bus. So we can use the control bus in microcontroller which is used to transfer the data from memory to control processing unit. But in microprocessor we need the external buses to interface RAM, ROM and other peripheral devices. A microprocessor is complicated and expansive with a large number of instructions to process, but microcontroller is inexpensive because everything is inbuilt in a single chip, and the size of the microcontroller is very small compared to microprocessor and straightforward with a fewer instructions to process. Next we are going to see about what is microcontroller. A microcontroller, it is a chip optimized to control electronic devices. It is stored in single integrated circuit which is dedicated to performing a particular task and execute on specific applications, and it is specially designed circuits for embedded application, and it is widely used in automatically controlled electronic device. So that's why we going to use the microcontroller in real-time systems. It contains a memory processor and programmable input-output devices. Next we are going to see about types of microprocessor. Important types of microprocessors are complex instruction set microprocessor, the application specific integrated circuit, reduced instruction set microprocessors, digital signal multiprocessors. The types of microcontrollers are 8-bit microcontroller, 16-bit 32-bit microcontroller, embedded microcontroller, external memory microcontroller. Next we are going to see the features of microprocessor. Here some important features of microprocessor are offers built-in monitor or debugger program with interrupt capability. So we can find the fault in the program when interrupt the program. large amount of instructions each carrying out different variations of same operations. And next thing is offers parallel input output device. And next one is instruction cycle timer. And last one is external memory interface. So we need external memory to connect with the microprocessor. Features of microprocessor. These are the important features of microcontroller. First one, processor reset, program and variable memory input output pins, device clocking central processor, instruction cycle timers. These are the features of microcontroller. Next we are going to see about difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. First one, it is a heart of computer systems. In microcontroller, heart of an embedded systems. In microprocessor, the memory input output components needed to connect it externally. In microcontroller, everything inbuilt in a single chip. In microprocessor, memory input output connected externally, so the circuit becomes very large compared to microcontroller. In microcontroller, the size is very small because everything is embedded in this single chip. Due to external components, the total power consumption is high. Therefore, it is not ideal for the device running on stored power like batteries. External components are low in microcontroller. The total power consumption is less. So it can be used with the device running on stored power like batteries. In microprocessor, cannot use in compact systems. In microcontroller, we can use it. In microprocessor, the cost of entire system is high, but microcontroller is low compared to microprocessor. The most of the microprocessor do not have power saving features, but in microcontroller, it is having a power saving mode. In microprocessor, it is mainly used in personal computers. In microcontroller, it is used mainly in real-time systems like washing machine, air conditioning, microwave oven, MP3 player, and like embedded systems. In microprocessor, as a smaller number of registers, so more operations are memory based systems. In microcontroller, it is as more register, hence the programs are easier to write. In microprocessor, it is based on von Neumann model. In microcontroller, are based on hardware architecture. In microprocessor, it is a central processing unit on a single silicon-based integrated chip. But in microcontroller, it is a byproduct of development of microprocessor with CPU along with it. In microprocessor, it is having a RAM, ROM, input output units, timers and other peripherals are externally. In microcontroller, it having a CPU along with RAM, ROM and other peripherals which are embedded in a single chip. In microprocessor, it is uses an external bus to interface to RAM, ROM and other peripherals. In microcontroller, uses an internally controlling bus. In microprocessor, based systems can run at a very high speed because of the technology involved. In microcontroller, based systems run up to 200 MHz or more depending on the architecture. In microprocessor, it is used for general purpose applications that allow you to handle loads of data. In microcontroller, it is used for application specific systems. In microprocessor, it is a complex and expansive with a large number of instructions to process. In microcontroller, it is simple and inexpansive with a less number of instructions to process. These are the difference between microprocessor and microcontroller. And next we're going to see about applications of microprocessor. So the microprocessor are mainly used in devices like accounting systems, games machines, complex industrial controllers, traffic controllers, control data, military applications, defense systems, and computation systems. These are the device are used to control systems by the help of microprocessor. Next, we're going to see about applications of microcontroller. Microcontrollers are mainly used in devices like mobile phones, automobiles, CD or DVD players, washing machine, air conditioner, cameras, security alarms, keyboard controllers, microwave oven, watches, MP3 players, analog to digital converter, digital to analog converter, stepper motor, and waveform generations and sensor processings. These are the applications for microcontroller. Thank you.